Hello again. So we are on the 1st of April. Today it's been 4 days after my last Runami. So we're gonna do it again today because last time I don't think all of the flowers were budding yet. So let's have a look today, and I really do hope that now everything's in full bloom. It is, I got up just before 7. It is almost 8 now, so I do have to get going. Anyway, let's go and have a look. So I just got back. Ew. Ew. Oh god, it looks so red. I just got back. It was so nice, honestly. It was even nicer than before. It was a good run. It was a 17.5 kilometers. A bit slow, but then again I did stop for a few photos and videos, so oh, this looks much better. So I had a shower, had some breakfast, and I'm heading off to campus right now. But anyways, as you've seen, Nakameguro is super nice to do hanami, so when the cherry blossoms are out. I would advise you to go in the mornings because it does get extremely crowded, like extremely crowded. You almost can't get off the train, so try to get there early and enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and see you again next time. Bye.